What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we got a real nice day trading recap. Hit myself another grand slam. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's jump into this recap. Today was a number of stocks I was watching. I tweeted them out this morning and put out my watch list. And one of the first ones I was actually watching had a nice move in the morning. Didn't do much after that, I don't believe. But it definitely had made a move. Here, let me grab that one real quick. Solo was on my watch list. And Solo, you can see right out of the gates, you know, it went from a low of 390 all the way up here to a high of 460, 465. So that was a nice move there, but it was pretty choppy. As you can see, it's just 6 minutes of action right here, and it's just straight up, then whip back down, whip back up, whip all the way back down, come back up. Like, it's really, really, really choppy. So nothing for me there. Now it's trying to regain VWAP. If it regains VWAP, you know, maybe it'll have a shot at something, but I'm not really expecting much out of it at this point. AYRO was the leading gapper I was watching, and this morning, you know, it regained VWAP here and made a real nice move from $5 all the way up here to $5.95. Super, super nice move. Very, very clean on that VWAP break. You know, hold of this 525 area and boom. But I didn't get to catch a trade on it. It did break down afterwards and come back underneath VWAP, but now it's regained it. Trying to find its footing here. Maybe it'll make a move. Maybe it won't. We don't know that. And I'm not going to trade it. Because I've already made my money on the day. Made almost $1,000 on the day here, and we're going to go over those trades here pretty quickly. I got one winner, one loser. Let's see. There was another stock I was watching, which was LMFA. LMFA, another one and doneer. You know, it's just like pop and then fade back under VWAP, so nothing there. And that's been the theme for almost all the leading gappers on the small cap section. You know, one big pop and then just a fade. And then sometimes there's like one stock that will give, you know, a decent little move all day long, or at least for a good portion of the morning. But that's been the theme lately. And that's why I've been watching them, been ready, but I haven't traded them actively because they're not giving me what I'm looking for. Okay, so let's move on here. NIO I actually had on watch as well. And even this one, you know, just one big pop. Real nice move. You know, for what is this? Low of day of 1093, high day of 1230. Very nice. But then that's it. You know, I had one nice pullback here, but the volume was pretty big on the pullback into this VWAP section. And, you know, it gave a little pop there, but that's it. Now it's looking really weak. Let's see, who else did we have here? I think that was it, with the exception of a couple more stocks. And before we move forward on those, do me a quick favor, smash the like button for me. We're already over 8,600 subs, well in reach of the 10,000 subscriber mark. And you know what happens when we get to 10,000 subscribers? I'm going to do that free account giveaway. It's going to be a free giveaway where one lucky subscriber is going to get one free day trading account or swing trading, whatever. You can add money to it. You'll have, you know, it'll be funded. It'll have some money in it. You can add to it. And I would always suggest, you know, if you know what you're doing, add to it. If you don't, then hold off, paper trade, and then use the account later. Now, that's when we hit 10,000 subscribers. I had BA on watch this morning, and BA had a real big red to green move. Like, this is a really nice red to green move right here, as you can see, but nothing there for me either. Look at this. It's like straight up and straight back down to where it came from. Like, just savage moves. And then the SPY has had a real hard time re-breaking VWAP here and getting back up here to this 317 zone. Like, as you can see here on the daily, the SPY is just trying to break through to get up to that 320 area, but it's not going to be easy, I don't think. So that's part of the reason why we're getting a lot of these fades here, especially in these larger cap stocks. Now, my trade actually came, I took two trades, one right before 10 a.m. or so, and then one a little bit after. The one I took after was a losing trade, but very minimal loss. So I'm still up almost $1,000 on the day. So it's a real nice day. And we're going to go over that. Oh, look at this. Talking about AYRO. Look at it now. Boom. New high. Real nice increase in volume there. Let's see if it doesn't double top. But real nice day I'm sitting on. I have the live trades recorded. We're going to go over those right now. And as I get them, do me a quick favor. Check out the links in the description section below. You'll have links to trade ideas. These are the trade idea scanners and the trade idea charts that you can get. There's a link in the description with a coupon code for 15% off. And also you have Webull. Webull is the free stock trading app that you can download, fund your account with $100, and you get 2 free stocks valued between $1,200 to $1,400. In the meanwhile, AYRO is beasting. That thing is an animal right now. Unbelievable. Let me go ahead and start grabbing these live trades here for you. So we have Tesla was my very first live trade, okay? And this was fairly simple. Let me show you on the chart first, and then we'll go back over the live recording, okay? And okay, so Tesla here, we got this big wick into 1270. We take right back up above VWAP. And I'm like, this is interesting here. That candle was about to close out, so I pick up one contract there. And the next candle opens up right above VWAP, and I add to it, and I hold my stop right there at VWAP. So I had very small risk on this trade. Very small risk. I add to it, and I sold into the push. I wanted to add back in on this flag, but I just didn't. And I regret it tremendously because, wow, what a move. What a move. So here you go. Whoops, that's the trade ideas chart. Check out the link in the description section of trade ideas. Here we go. Let me grab this. Boom. So I'm in there, one contract. Cost basis 36.70. Okay. Super fast trade. A 2-minute trade. I can't believe it was so fast. So we're holding that VWAP zone just like I wanted. Right here, I see we're holding again. So I'm like, okay, we're going to add here because this thing is probably going to squeeze right up to the high of day. So boom, right there I add my second contract. Wait, didn't I add? I thought I added it there. Here we go. Add, boom. So now my new cost basis is 37.70. My stop is underneath VWAP, okay? And then we start to push. Let me make sure you can see all that. There you go. We start to push. They're going off at 39.90 already. Fast forward this a tad here for you. We go right up, right there. I take one off. Right there in front of the high of the day. Okay, so right there, this is the high of day right here, right there in front of the high of day. At the time, the high of day was 1284. We're going off at 1282. So I'm going to take off one contract right there. Boom, on the ask at $40. Okay, that $40 sell is from 36.70. So that's a nice take profit there. That is not a bad take profit there. Now I'm holding on to the remaining contract, looking for a break of high of day and a squeeze. And I'm looking to take that one off 45, 50 bucks. So that's a monster win from 38. So here we go. We start to get a new high of day there. We get a quick new high of day pop right there. Okay, these contracts are going off at $41. I'm in at 38.70 on this one. And I'm holding my stop at this point on this one contract at break even. If I get back down to this $38 zone, I'm going to close it off and I'm going to take my profit. And it is what it is. You know, it's a trade that didn't work out, but I still took profit on it. You know, I still made money. It's still a green day. But I'm holding on because this volume, I'm keeping my eyes on the volume, and this volume is increasing, and we're not shying away from that high of day zone. Right there, we start to squeeze. We start to squeeze right there. We get a new high of day, and we get more volume. You see the volume bar there when these contracts are going off at $42.15, $43 right there. Increase in volume, new high. We're in at 38.70. They're going off at 43. I get ready to put an order out on the ask. Right there. So now we're at 44.95. Okay. Well, I'm in at 38.70. You see these contracts going off up over $500. Volume is still increasing. We get that squeeze. We're going off at 46.20. I put the order on and I get filled. Boom, $45. And right there you see, whoops, $628 on my last take profit, $328 on my first take profit. Real nice day. Now the second one I did not record, but I can show you the orders. Let's see here. Realized. So you see here, I lost $16 on the second trade, but I made $328 on the first one, $628.60 on the second contract I sold. This is one trade. This is a separate trade here. And the reason I only took one contract here was because I'm protecting my profits here. I'm protecting these profits. If I took 2 contracts here, I'm diminishing my risk by taking 1 contract here. Even though I was only risking about $1 on this one, okay, I only have 1 contract. If it flushes or goes horribly against me, I'm still gonna be in the green nicely. At most, I'd give back 300 bucks. I'd still be up 600 on the day. But I'm up a little bit over 940 some odd dollars on the day, so almost $1,000. I'm gonna call it $1,000 day, just like I had one last week. Super happy. Let me know how you did. I'm really happy with the start of this week. Drop in the comment section below what you did, what you traded today. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.